Hi, I'm Sandy Sandler, the creator of the Bowdabra Bow Maker. Today we're going to make this really super simple but fun fall wreath. So let's get started. I'm going to start by taking my Bowdabra Bow Maker. I'm folding my Bowdabra Bow Wire in half and just laying it through my Bowdabra and tucking it underneath. Now I did cut it a little longer because I want to be able to tie it around my wreath. So now I'm just going to take my my mesh, I'm going to twist it, and all I'm going to do is fold it back and forth and twist and fold it back, and then I'm going to twist it. And I sort of just let the mesh follow its natural curve as I'm making my loops. So I'm going to make 4 loops here. I'm going to bring this back over here and twist it so the wrong side of the ribbon is on the inside of my loop, and then I'll just bring this back here and just scrunch that in. I'm going to take my wand and just give everything a really good push. Now please, if you wouldn't mind, click the subscribe button below and also share this video with your friends. So now I'm going to take I love this truck ribbon. It's like so cool. So I'm just gonna, I've already dovetailed. If you're not familiar with dovetailing, what I do is I fold my Bowdabra, my ribbon in half, and then you're just gonna cut at a diagonal from the fold to the corner, and that's what gives us these great little dovetail points. So now I'll just fold this in half, and I'm just gonna scrunch this in, and these are gonna be our tails. So I'm just going to push those in there, and I have another one exactly the same, and I'm just going to lay that down in here as well. And then I have my truck ribbon here, and what I'm going to do is take the right side of the ribbon and scrunch that down, and again take the right side of the ribbon and scrunch that in, and then scrunch it all in the center here. And we're just going to make another one the same size. So again, take the right side of your ribbon, put it down into my Bowdabra, bring it back around. And what I like about doing it this way is this way all my trucks go in the direction that I want, so they're all going in the same direction. And I'm just gonna scrunch that in. And I'll take my wand and just give everything a really good push. Then I'm gonna come back here. And again, to make sure my trucks are in the right direction, take the right side, put it into my Bowdabra, fold it back over, take the right side again and scrunch it in, and scrunch that in. So now all my trucks are going the way I want them to go. And I'm just gonna finish by putting this pick in here. So it gives it kind of the fall grape look. And we've already got the pumpkins and the red. And so we're just gonna, now this is something that you should know is when your Bowdabra gets really full like this, sometimes you just have to open the towers a little bit to put your wand in. I'm just gonna now scrunch, so that's perfectly okay to do. And then I'll take my Bowdabra Bow Wire, I'm gonna pull this up here, and again, the reason I fold it in half is so I have my slip knot. I'm gonna hold my bow really tight while it's still in the Bowdabra, pull it tight, bring it out. Now I'm just gonna separate the ends, bring it around to the back, and tie a knot, tie a double knot. And I'm gonna bring back over my grapevine wreath. And whoops, looks like we got Bowdabra Bow Wire caught on there. And so now I'm just going to take, this is why I made this a little bit longer. I'm gonna take my wire and bring it around to the back, and you'll notice I haven't fluffed my ribbon yet because I like to fluff it once it's where it is. So in other words, if it's going on a tree or a package or a wreath, it's always easier to fluff once it's on the wreath. So now I'm gonna just cut that, bring this back around, and now we're gonna fluff this out. Just gonna kind of bring my grapes down, move my tails here. Not much fluffing to do with the mesh because it kind of just fluffs itself. And I'm just going to bring this out here, fluff these. And then to finish this off, I have this really cute velvet pumpkin that we purchased. And I think we'll have a hyperlink for where you can purchase it. I'm cheating and just using glue dot. I'm using actually Zots right now. which are great because they are very adhesive. So you're gonna wanna just kind of push your little pumpkin. And I love this is just a really soft, lightweight pumpkin. And now you have your completed, absolutely super simple and beautiful fall wreath. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please, so don't forget to click the subscribe button below and follow us on Facebook so you'll be notified every time we have a new video for you to watch. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.